Alliance has organised a meeting today to press for the demand to convene special session of Parliament over Operation Sindoor. Congress's Gaurav Gogoi has coordinated this meeting after TMC pitched the idea. Dipendra Hooda from the Congress, TMC's Derek O'Brien, RJD's Manoj Jha, SP's Dharmendra Yadav are all to be present amongst other opposition leaders. Anand Singh is joining us for more on this story. Anand, what time is this key opposition meeting expected today and what is on the agenda?
Yeah, Uday, look, this emergency meeting that has been called by the India Bloc partners, especially the Congress. This meeting will be held at Constitution Club over here in New Delhi at around 12:30 noon. So clearly several of the India Bloc members, including Dipendra Hooda from Congress, then Derek O'Brien from Trinamool Congress and Sanjay Raut from Shiv Sena and Dharmendra Yadav from Samajwadi Party, they all will be present in this meeting and they will be pressing for the demand that how the several of the other opposition members have already raised the demand for convening a special session of Parliament following the Pahalgam terror attack and the way in which India retaliated to Pakistan in the form of Operation Sindoor. And then even Anil Chauhan, the CDS, the Chief of Defence Staff of the Indian Armed Forces, has clearly maintained that how India lost several of the jets, but it was able to push Pakistan back and it was able to target several of its air bases in their country. So clearly this demand has been being raised by several of the Congress members and several of the opposition members in the past few days, and the government has not been listening to them as it has been alleged by the opposition members. We have seen earlier that Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, who is also the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, whereas the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, both have written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi demanding to convene the special session. And yesterday also RJD's Manoj Jha, he has also written a letter to Prime Minister demanding the same. So about 200 MPs from the India Bloc partners are all set to send a letter to Prime Minister demanding for the convening of a special session of Parliament. Congress has also earlier highlighted that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi has not attended any of the all-party meeting that was held after Pahalgam terror attack as well as Operation Sindoor. So this is the demand that the Congress and other opposition party which are part of the India Bloc will be pressing the government to call for the special session of Parliament in the wake of what CDS Anil Chauhan has said in Singapore. Back to you.
More breaking news meanwhile coming in.